You want rocking chair, door jam, clucking chicken, rocking chair. Okay, let's do the rocking chair. Oh, there's donut cream filler. Oh my goodness. The rocking chair.
What's that donut cream filler?
Okay, donut cream filler.
Cindy, I don't know what's more interesting, you or Alex
Dueling B-holes.
Dueling Neil.
B. Except it says B double T.
Oh.
Puff Daddy.
See what that one sounds like, Alex?
Puff Daddy, does this sound like your daddy? James Brown thing. James Brown. Okay, we got to stop over this one. Ow! I feel good.
That's good, Alex. You did good with that.
That's echo. Here's a toadstool. No, that was not as funny. Rice water. Air biscuits. Okay, last one for real. Air biscuit. Go for it.
There you go. That was good, Alex.
That was a real lifted hit.
It really was a good hit, wasn't it?
Okay. Oh, wait.
Cindy's not done yet.
This is the finale.
Is that what it's called? Finale?
So phonetic. Finale.
Phonetic. It's like all the sounds together. Alex, what in the world was that?